what we are going to draw here is an inverter. So click on plus sign to start the schematic, then press Shift I to insert the symbols we want. So from the other, we can select symbols. Now we need to get NMOS and PMOS. So we can select PMOS, place here, press Q to edit its W to 0.44 because we are designing CMOS inverter. So Shift I again, insert NMOS. Okay. These are 3p3, which are 3.3 volt. We can lift the NMOS with its parameters, so the PMOS will be double size of NMOS. Now we need to insert finally Shift I, but this time from home we need the XScheme library devices. We will need IO pin, okay, because we are going to design a symbol. So we can copy this pin, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, again, we can use Alt R to rotate. Yeah. Now, to wire everything, we need to use W to insert wires. W, 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 W. Pressing W's multiple times to change your direction when creating wires. And by clicking the left click mouse, we'll create the wire. So, pressing Q on each of these and change its label to any name that we want. Here would be ground, and here will be VDD. Finally, this will be out. Okay, we can save this design by Ctrl S, current directory, and we need to call this schematic end. Okay, now we need to create our symbol. Simply, we can make symbol from schematic or by pressing A. Okay, now we need to open this file. So open current directory. You see here, this symbol is auto-created for our purpose. Now we need to modify this symbol to look like an inverter.